Right, real quick, down and dirty. All right, we're going to go with video editing, and we're going to show you guys how to very quickly edit a file, video file, right? Obviously, it's video file, using Blender and cutting it out, right? So now we've got the file loaded. You're going to have to wait for the proxies to actually create, which this is already done. And then you find the location you want to cut. We're going to pick out, we're going to cut here, right? Hit K. If you look, split is K. And then continue into the video, and we'll cut out part where we jump. So we'll cut there, right? For whatever reason. All right, we're going to hit delete. Now that removes it. So now we need to drag this and connect the two. If I connect the two, I just mean like you can overlap them or whatever and create a fade and stuff if you get technical. This is basic dirty, right? Right, cut out, it's fixed, and then you would go up to render animation, it would render the scene, and then you would have your video. Done, easy peasy. Peace out.